packed a small satchel with dried krill and a map etched carefully onto an old fishbone. With a deep breath, he pushed his wooden sled into the frigid, ink-black water and began to paddle north. Days blurred into freezing nights as the waves tossed his small vessel. The wind howled against his feathers, but Pip refused to turn back.
The video you just watched started with one very simple idea. No pre-written script. No need to design the characters yourself. And no need to create every single scene manually. I simply entered a short idea, chose the visual style I wanted, and AI helped turn it into a complete animated story. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. So even if you've never created an animated video before, you'll still be able to make one like this yourself. Hi everyone, I'm Mia, and welcome to AI with Mia. This channel is all about AI tutorials, AI-powered content creation, and helpful tools that make creating professional videos faster and easier. If you're interested in AI and want to discover more ways to create content with the latest tools, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Now, let's get started. First, we'll head over to MagicLight. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can easily access it. Once you've signed up and logged in, this is the main MagicLight dashboard. One nice thing is that new accounts receive 800 free credits, which you can use to try out some of the features on the platform. On the left side of the screen is the main menu, where you can access my creations, asset store, earnings, data analysis, and several other sections. In the center, MagicLight offers a variety of workflows, including story to video, kid story video, interview video, short drama video, and more. You can simply choose the workflow that best matches the type of content you want to create. For this video, I want to create an animated story for kids, so I'll select Kids Story Video. Then, click Create to get started. And this is where we can begin setting up our story. First, we have Story Topic. At this step, you don't need to prepare a complete script or even write a long and complicated prompt. All you need is a short idea for the story you want to create. For this video, I'll enter the little penguin who wanted to see the northern lights. And that's it! I'll let MagicLight develop this simple idea into a complete story in the next steps. Next, we have Pick Your Style. Here, you'll find a variety of visual styles, including 3D, Cartoon 3, Disney 3, Realistic 3, Pixar, Comic Book, Illustration, and many more. You can choose a style based on the type of story and the look you want to create. For this kid's animated story, I'll choose 3D Cartoon 3 to give the video a colorful, kid-friendly 3D cartoon look. Next is aspect ratio. If you're creating a standard horizontal video for YouTube, you can choose 16:9. For YouTube Shorts or other vertical video platforms, you can choose 9:16. For this video, I'll select 9:16. Next is video duration, where we can choose how long we want the story to be. There are several options including 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes, or you can select Customize to set your own duration. For this video, I'll choose 1 minute. Next is language. MagicLight supports a variety of languages, so you can choose the one that best fits the content you want to create. For this video, I'll use English. Right below that is Story Model. This is the AI model MagicLight will use to develop the story. I'll use Gemini Flash 3.1. Finally, we have VoiceOver. You can open the list, preview different voices, and choose the one that best fits your story. Once everything is set up, I'll click Next. MagicLight will begin developing the story from our original idea. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Once it's finished, we'll be taken to the cast section. MagicLight has automatically identified the main character and created a little penguin named Pip. We can also click More to add supporting characters if our story needs additional characters. In the character library, you can choose from existing characters or create a new one of your own. Once you've selected a character, you can give them a name and choose a suitable voice. MagicLight offers a variety of voices, along with filters to help you quickly find the right one. One thing to keep in mind is that a character added here may not necessarily appear in the final video, as this also depends on the scenes MagicLight generates. So I recommend adding extra characters only when they're really needed. At the bottom, MagicLight gives us two options. One-click video is useful if you want AI to continue the process with less manual work. But for this video, I want to review and customize each step, so I'll choose Next. MagicLight will now start building the storyboard and generating an image for each scene. This step can also take a few minutes, depending on the number of scenes, so we'll just wait for the AI to finish processing. Once it's done, we'll be taken to the storyboard section. For this 1-minute story, MagicLight has automatically created 12 storyboards, representing 12 different scenes. On the left side of the screen, we have a list of all the scenes. We can go through each storyboard and check the generated images. In the center is the preview of the selected scene, with its corresponding narration right below. When we select the image, MagicLight also displays a toolbar that lets us edit it directly. For example, Close lets us change the character's outfit, Remove can remove unwanted elements, and Expression lets us adjust the character's facial expression. We also have Figure, Pose, and Prompt, along with additional tools that you can access using the arrow on the side. So, if there's only a small detail you want to change, you can edit it right here instead of recreating the entire scene. Next, on the right side of the screen, we have additional options for the selected storyboard. At the top, we can see the characters appearing in the scene, as well as the prompt MagicLight used to generate the image. If you're not happy with the result, you can edit the prompt and use Regen to create a new version. Below that, we also have Dynamic, Voice effects, and finally, Animate. This is where we can turn our static images into animated scenes. When we click Animate, we have two options, Animate 1 and Animate All. With Animate 1, we can animate only the scene that's currently selected. MagicLight offers a variety of video generation models. You can scroll through the list, compare the credit cost and other details, and choose the model that best fits your needs. If you want to animate multiple scenes or the entire story at once, simply switch to Animate All. Here, you can also choose your preferred model and review the animation prompt for each scene. Once everything is set up, click Confirm and MagicLight will start generating the animations. This may take a little time to process. Once it's finished, it's a good idea to quickly review the scenes and make sure the animations look good and nothing needs to be adjusted. If everything looks good, I'll click Next to move on to the edit step. Here, we'll make a few final adjustments before generating the finished video. First is subtitle settings. MagicLight offers a variety of subtitle styles. You can preview how they look directly on the video and choose the style you prefer. Next is background music, where we can add music that fits the mood of our story. Once the subtitles and background music are set, I'll quickly review everything one more time. If everything looks good, click Generate and MagicLight will create the final video. This step may also take a little time to process. Once it's finished, we'll be taken to the final result page. On the left, we can play the completed video and do one final check of the visuals, animation, voiceover, subtitles, and background music. On the right, MagicLight has automatically prepared a title, summary, and hashtags for the video. If you've connected your YouTube account, you can publish the video directly to YouTube from here. If you want to make any additional changes, you can go back to Edit. Or, if everything looks good, simply click Download Video to save it to your computer. And here's the final video we just created.
Pip the penguin stood alone at the edge of the jagged Antarctic ice shelf, his eyes fixed on the dark, mysterious horizon. While his colony huddled together for warmth, Pip was different. He packed a small satchel with dried krill and a map etched carefully onto an old fishbone. With a deep breath, he pushed his wooden sled into the frigid, ink-black water and began to paddle north. Days blurred into freezing nights as the waves tossed his small vessel. The wind howled against his feathers, but Pip refused to turn back, driven by a dream of light. Suddenly, danger erupted from the deep. A massive leopard seal lunged, its jaws snapping inches from Pip's flipper. "Not today!" he gasped, swerving hard. Pip hid in the ice crevice while the seal snarled outside. His paws were numb, dragging the sled across endless miles of slush and shadow. But on the seventh night, the sky above him ignited. Ribbons of emerald and violet light swirled across the stars like celestial silk. Pip stopped, his breath freezing into a silver mist. He watched the aurora dance in the heavens, a silent symphony of color that mirrored the fire in his heart. As the sun began to peek over the edge of the world, Pip Pip smiled. He had finally found the light.
Before we wrap up, there's one more interesting MagicLight feature I want to quickly show you: earnings. Besides creating videos, MagicLight also allows creators to create and share their own assets. When other members of the community use those assets, you have the opportunity to earn rewards. Here, you can track your total paid out, pending payout, and see the creator earnings leaderboard. If we head over to the asset store, you'll find different types of assets, including characters, visual styles, voice emotions, and Polish skills. You can explore existing assets or create your own and share them with the community. It's another interesting feature you can explore as you spend more time using MagicLight. And that's how you can create a complete animated kids story with AI using MagicLight, starting with just one simple idea. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!